In the previous example, we showed how to create UDT instances one at a time. There's another way we can create UDT instances, and that is to use our multi-instance wizard, where it can actually create more than one instance at the exact same time. So to use this feature, we right-click on the folder we want to create these tags in, and go down to New Tag, Data Type Instance, and right below the data types, you'll see a multi-instance wizard. The wizard allows us to pick which data type we want to point to. So here I'm going to point to motor. You're going to give every tag a base tag name. So let's say I'm going to give it call it motor. Then I'm going to put a tag name pattern, and I'm going to put it as 1-4. So what this is going to do is actually create 4 tags, and it's going to name them motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, motor 4. So this top part is just simply for the name of the tag. We want every tag name to be different. We don't want them to have the same name. We also want the parameters of every tag to be different here as well. So I need to specify what I want these parameter values to be for all 4 of those tags. So the device name, I know on all of them I want to simply just be CLX. So just by putting one value in there, it'll use it for all of the ones that we're going to create. Now, but the motor number, I want that to be the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, I'm going to use the range 1-4. Now you'll see down here that's going to create 4 tags for me. The pattern can actually be a range, it can be a list of values, it can be, you can repeat values. There's quite a few options you can see down here in the little helper of what you can put in those areas. But as soon as you put that in, you'll see how many tags it's going to create. And the best thing you can do now is to go and press the preview button, because this allows us to see exactly what it's going to create. So you can see my tag names, motor 1, 2, 3, 4. The motor number 1, 2, 3, 4 for the parameter, and CLX is going to be the same for all the device names. Now maybe I didn't want it to have motor 1 with no space between the name and the number. So I can go back here and maybe I add a space at the base tag name, put a space at the end, go in preview, and now you can see there's a space inside of that. That's really precisely why this preview exists, so you can review it before it actually creates those instances. So now that I have that done, I can go ahead and press OK. All 4 instances are going to be created for me automatically. And if I expand them, I can see that they are working and they're pointing to the right values in the PLC. So the multi-instance wizard can really save you time when you're creating a lot of instances. Certainly you can also import and export instances through XML.